Hello, I'm going to try and show you how to modify an already existing smartboard template. So this template right here is a template that I use for vocabulary. In 7th grade, the kids get 10 vocabulary words a week. This is a kooshball game. The kids have a soft ball and they can throw it or come up and tap the number to go to the vocabulary word. So we'll go ahead and click on 8 and it'll take us to the vocabulary word, which is dash. Then the student can click in the circle. They'll either give me a definition or use it in a sentence. So they would have to use dash in a sentence. Once I say whether or not it's okay, they can click here. And generally my kids are in groups, so their group would get 6 points. Once they've gotten their points, they come back down here. The student clicks on this ball, takes them back to the main page, and then here they would take this guy and put him over the 8. Now, once the next team goes, they throw the ball. If they land on it, it won't take them to that page. Okay? So now that we have the basics of it, to change it, it's very simple. Click. Here's the word. If this is the word you're going to change it. Change that one to ankle. And I know in other lessons they do parts of speech, so you can even change this to parts of speech. You just divide it into 3, and then you give each section a color. So this one is green, and they would give the definition. Then you would click on this one. See, it's orange. I wrote here part of speech. Click out here, use it in a sentence, and it's blue. Click save, and that's it. Once again, you go back, you do it for number 2. Sometimes these are a little off. Change the vocabulary word. Just because I can't think right now. Change that to hot. Once again, we'll add parts of speech. Go back. Now, say you have more than 10 vocabulary words. What do? Well, that's simple. You can click on a number and you can clone it. Now we have 2 10s. Let's see, it gets a little crowded, so then what you're going to have to do is go through and make them just a little bit smaller. You will right click, that will bring up this, and then you just take the little circle, the gray circle, and try and make them a little bit smaller so you can fit them all in. And you'll need to go through and do that to all of them so you can fit them all in. So say this guy right here, we need to move him. We'll just take him off an infinite cloner, move him down a little bit, come back up here, infinite cloner again, because now we can just pop him over here. But now we need to change this. We need to change this guy. So what we have to do is we have to go to ungroup. We have to change this to an 11. Come back here, highlight both, come down here, group them together again. Now we come up here and we need to link. So we need to link it to a page in this file. So we have about 24 pages. We need to add another page. So we also need to make sure you want to link it to the object. So when the object is clicked, it will take us to the page. But I think we need to add another page here. So we'll open up our side gallery. Oh, we have plenty of pages. I'm sorry. So here's our next page, page 12. So we come back to our main page here. Link page on this file, and we're going to come all the way down, and we saw that we're going to link it to page 12. Object. Click OK. So now when we click here, we're already taken back to this page, and I've already linked this page to the main page. What I do to make it easy for myself, if I need to add more pages, normally what I do is I just keep extending the extra pages, and they're already linked. And to do that, you just click on it, and then you can clone the page. Clone, clone, clone. And you don't need to use all these pages. You just need to make sure that you have enough spots on the kooshball template to make enough spots for your extra pages. So there we've got our page added. We go back. Now we need to put in the dice and the circle. So once again, we could just go in here. You can copy, go back to the main page. Oops, it's taking a little time. So you'll go back to the main page, click on 11, paste. Now here we are. We want 3, save. So we want to put the dice on there as well. We just go back, copy, go to 11, paste,
2,
go back. Just to make it easy so I don't have to remember what font I use, I just copy another word and then just paste that in, and there you go. And that's it. That's all you need to do to repurpose this page. I hope you find it helpful.